Everybody, a little Defstoner here once again. It is the morning after the storm, the blizzard last night. Um, yeah, I was sleeping, so now it's like 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I tried waking up early, but I went to sleep too late. It was streaming last night. Um, but yeah, we're gonna take a walk on that same route that I was at yesterday, where we walked by, and gonna see how it looks. I mean, I'm gonna try to make this video a little shorter than I did yesterday. That was a little bit too long. Wow, it looks nice here already. Whew. I guess they shoveled the sidewalk. Hold on, let me pause this so you guys can get a better view. As you can see, they already shoveled the stairs. They threw some rocks and sand on it so we won't be able to trip and fall and bust our backs. So that's a good thing right there. The stairs are all cleared. That's my path from yesterday. So I'm gonna just, I'm gonna cut every now and then and see where we at and stuff. Too bright here. Kids just walking around and playing and stuff. The snow. I wanted to take my kid out here, but she doesn't really have boots yet, so but yeah, look all this snow. It doesn't look too bad, I guess. Park is blocked, playground is blocked, but I'm gonna get out here anyways. Oh. Well, I can't really see the track that I walked by yesterday. This is not really the track because it goes up that way. I didn't go up that way. I went this way. But I don't know. Let's see. There's the playground. Look how the swing set is just kind of like right just on top of the snow. Still don't know how much of snow it really got. It probably had like about I'd say 10, maybe 10 inches or 12. I don't know, probably 10 inches. But yeah. See, my tracks are not even here. Well, alright, so since I said I'm gonna make this video short, I'm gonna get to just some things that I caught on tape, caught on footage yesterday. Yeah, so we'll pick up from the bus stop and we're probably gonna swing by the carriage and take the footage from there. Alright, we'll see you after. As you can probably see, the snow is coming all the way up above my feet. I'm trying to walk here for you to see. Somehow that tree got cleared. I don't know, it might even melted because as you see, we got sunny day today. And the snow is probably melting fast, but I did have my premonitions this morning. I think we're gonna get another storm. I'm not saying that we will, but I think that we will be getting a storm before all the snow melts. So, all right, right ahead here we have the bus stop that we filmed yesterday. Road's a little clear. Cars already flying by. Alright. Yeah, see all the stairs are shoveled now. Got the bus stop right here. The one we filmed yesterday. Crazy. There's a big pile of snow right there. Big piles everywhere. so heading on to the carriage that we found yesterday. Just gonna get that on tape. I'm not going all the way to Target today. I'm just not feeling it. So I'll pick up over there. Alright, see you. Got a buddy of mine coming up here. What's up, man? How you been, man? Everything good? Hey, man, I'm trying to do the vlog here. Put it on YouTube, everything.
Is this for Egypt?
Yeah, Brazil too. Brazil's summer nice, you know. Alright, good to see you. Yeah, that was my buddy from Pro Park. Actually, his brother worked with me. Great guys. Good people, man, really. And, you know, I miss Pro Park and stuff, so hope he's doing good. Okay, so like I said, we're picking up the carriage, and let's go. Alright. No, wait, never mind. Let's just walk. I got a little bit better track here than yesterday, so why not just walk by everywhere, so hopefully I still got some battery. Like I said, I'm trying to make this short. I don't want this video too long like yesterday, so now we're walking by the parking lot here again, where we were at yesterday. Much easier to be walking today because people has been plowing, so not bad. I mean, I was expecting it to be worse today. Like, I thought it would be like cars abandoned in the street and I don't know, like trees falling down and maybe some houses fall down or whatever. But yeah, more snow there, folks. I just feel that yesterday's footage was like a nightmare comparing to right now. And I'm sure this is not the last storm. This is just the first storm. We'll probably pick up another snowstorm again. Don't know when, but let's get ready, people. It's not over yet. So, another pile of snow right up ahead. Car over here, it's already cleaned up as well. The sun probably melted like all the snow that we saw yesterday on top of the cars. It stopped snowing probably around let me see, I think it was like 11, 12. It was really like not snowing really, so yeah. Well, now the cars are like driving by fast, and everything seems pretty safe right now. Just don't really want to get hit here because there's still a lot of snow on the freaking sidewalks. There's not really a sidewalk here, so just gotta really be careful. That's the only thing. There's the carriage right there. You guys see the carriage? Remember this carriage right here yesterday? It ain't bad. It looks actually better, so I don't know. Well, yeah, see, that's the road I went on yesterday. And then right up there is Target. Like, I went up on the Target, and there's like where the accident is. Because people always driving freaking fast here, just like you saw that car. And it's a very dangerous curve. So, okay, let's head back. Yeah, that's all I wanted to do. Just wanted to see some things, show you guys how it normally looks, or almost normal. Cars seem like they're driving by safe and stuff, so it's good. And this is another route I took. Just after I left Target, I walked over here as well. There's an intersection right there. Yeah, well, it looks pretty good. I think we are ready at Christmas land right now. We are in Snowland. Alright, so we're taking the street up to the complex, and we'll probably close up over there already. This isn't bad. I guess we're doing pretty good today here, huh? But it's good. Yeah, it's good stuff, man. Really, like, it's kind of bugged yesterday during the storm. I thought it was gonna get a lot worse than this, because if you're talking about like a 90-year history, you're talking about like freaking epic storm, man. You're not really talking about like a freaking light snowstorm, which is that's not really what happened. But who knows, man? You know, yeah, a lot of snow piled up. Snow, 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 jingle bells, jingle. Let it snow, let it snow. Alright, so cars coming here up ahead. You got a stop sign right here. You can't freaking see. Thank you. Okay, go ahead. It's all good. It's alright. I understand. It's snowing out. People don't like stopping at stop signs, so it's all good. Don't be scared of me because I got a fucking camera on. You know what I'm saying? Wow, that's a big pile of snow right there. And we got more snow here, more snow there, more snow here, everywhere. Hopefully, I did walk on this sidewalk yesterday, but it wasn't plowed, so I kind of got stuck. But it seems plowed today, so it looks good. Let's try to walk here then and see how it goes. Oh, there's the fire hydrant. Fire hydrant. I just remembered the name. The fire hydrant right here. We taped yesterday. Say hello to the doggies. Woo. Keep playing the snow over there. Cool. I think everybody's coming out today, you know what I'm saying? Like, bad day yesterday, everybody stayed in. But today, better day. Everyone's out. So, we're walking back already, so hopefully we can catch something cool on the way there, but I don't know. We might just not. That's crazy, man. You know, I don't mind the snow at all. What's up, man? How you doing? Back in the 2000s, like, I didn't really like snow because I had to plow all the shit in the yard. But I guess I don't have to plow anymore, so it's actually pretty good to me. I mean, you can't snow all at once. Especially if you have a job or something, you gotta go to work. Oh, you just wish that the snow would never leave. Like, you just, please keep snowing, seriously. But that's only when you have work. But when you don't have work, you don't really care about that stuff. But I am in a way in track of coming back to work, so I'll probably be begging for snow to happen because I don't want to go back to work. So, but I have to. So, okay. Coming up the complex pretty soon. Then we're gonna close out the video, and hope you guys liked. I mean, I'm sure you guys here in the US are probably dealing with the same crap I am right now. Just not sure how the people will feel when they're having summertime right now and we're catching all this snow. It's freaking, in Brazil it's probably nice summer, beaches and barbecue and shit, but here we're frozen. Here's again kids playing on the snow, shoveling. Alright, so we're heading back right now. Kind of freezing a little bit. I just woke up and it's not up to this too much, but I just want to come out here, show you guys how it looks. I think we're doing okay. And yeah, well, there's the stairs that I had to face yesterday when I first came in. Right there, in front of my apartment. And It's still a lot of snow. But it looks alright. It doesn't look bad. So, alright everyone, well, I'm gonna close this vlog right over here. So, links are down in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, share. Blizzard. Next blizzard, I will be definitely taping once again. So, don't forget to keep it warm.